I think today we celebrate not just a company, we celebrate a family and we celebrate a community. First of all, of course, we celebrate a man, Chester Melsness, who started with a dream and a vision, and I don't know if he ever could have imagined what it would grow into.
For a company to succeed in business for 70 years, it takes a lot of dedication and perseverance from a whole lot of people. I am very grateful to my father Chester and my uncle Lloyd, who started the company and laid the groundwork for Spray Lakes to survive and thrive all of these years.
You know, the morals and ethics, the work ethic that was set down in those early years serves the company so well.
Back in those days, there were no computers, there were no iPhones, there were no iPads. It was more like I work, I sweat, and I persevere.
Congratulations to Spray Lake Sawmills on your 70th anniversary of service. On behalf of the Government of Canada, I thank your organization for demonstrating an unwavering commitment to both the town of Cochrane and communities across Western Canada. I wish you many more years of continued success. My congratulations.
94, and I might be off by a year here, he's still reading it without glasses.
It is truly an honor to be here to bring greetings on behalf of the people of Cochrane, my council and administration, to Spray Lakes on 70 incredible years in Cochrane.
I don't think you can talk about Cochrane without Spray Lake Sawmills, and I don't think Spray Lake Sawmills would want to be discussed without talking about Cochrane.
I know that this is an organization that is just as much out for looking at sustainable forestry management as it is for building the community of Cochrane. And you look at the rec center and the success that has become, and the vision that Spray Lakes had to get behind a project like that in the very beginning.
Chester and Barry, Premier Redford wanted me to say to you congratulations on 70 years, but probably more importantly, thank you for what you do for the province of Alberta. The investment that the forest industry makes in this province and in communities like Cochrane, but across the province, are so important for us.
The trees out there on the lands that are being managed by Spray Lake are growing at the same rate as that wood is going through that mill, because this is sustainable forest management. And so under the sunshine, trees are growing as much wood every minute as goes through that mill that you toured today.
One of the things we like to do at Spray Lake Sawmills is recognize our people. People are our strength. Look at all those green jackets out there. You guys are the stars of the show. Just let me wrap up by saying that with 70 years behind us, the story is far from over. I'm so thankful for God's grace and guidance over all these years, and I'm very grateful for the team we have here. We have a very solid business plan going forward, and I believe the future is extremely bright.